I can quickly organize and assign all the tasks my team needs to do using our group's plan in Office 365 Planner. I start Planner by selecting the App Launcher and selecting Planner. Planner works with groups. When you create a group, it creates a plan in Planner. And when you use Planner to create a new plan, it creates a group. On the Planner Hub, I select the plan I want to review. It's here in my Favorites list. I can then see all my team's tasks on the plan board. I'm going to create a new bucket for some tasks my group needs to do. Buckets group related tasks. I select Add New Bucket and enter its name. To add a task to the bucket, I select the plus symbol below the bucket title. Enter the name of the task in the Type a Task Name box and select Set Due Date to say when the task needs to be completed by. I can then select Assign to assign the task to a team member. I then select Add Task. The new task now shows up under the bucket name. If I want to add more details to the task, I just select it. For instance, I want to add a document as a starting point for this task, so I select Attach. The file is already on the OneDrive for the plan. I can also drag the tasks from other buckets into the new bucket. This task has already been done, so I'll select the Task Complete checkbox. I assign a task to a team member by dragging their portrait onto the task. Team members I assign tasks to receive a group notification they've got a new project task. I can see all the tasks ordered by bucket, who they're assigned to, or their progress. And I can view my plan's progress in Charts view.